Hello everyone, myself Sivasankari, working as an assistant professor at St. Joseph College for Women. Here we are going to discuss about the electron displacement effect, the behavior of an organic compound which is influenced by the displacement of electrons in a covalent bond. This effect may be permanent or temporary. It can be classified into 4 different types, that is inductive effect, mesomeric effect, electromeric effect and hyperconjugation. First, we are going to discuss about inductive effect. It is a permanent effect which is present in the polar covalent bonds. There will be a creation of permanent dipole in a covalent bond between the two different atoms with the different electronegativities. The development of partial positive and negative charges due to the shift of the electrons based on the electronegativities. Here there will be a increase in distance, so the inductive effect also decreases. Here there are two types of inductive effect. First one is minus I and plus I effect. In minus I effect, the carbon atom is attached to the electron withdrawing group, which pulls electron towards itself. Example: nitro, cyano, fluorine, acid and etc. Plus I effect. Here the addition of electron releasing groups with carbon atom, which donates electron towards carbon. Examples: tertiary alkyl, secondary alkyl and alkyl groups. Mesomeric effect. Here the transfer of pi electrons which is present in the ring donates the electron inside the ring. This effect is called as mesomeric effect. This effect occurs if the pi electrons move towards or away the substrate which is present in the conjugated system. It can exhibit 2 or more than 2 forms. This effect is called as mesomeric effect or else resonance effect. This also can be classified into 2 different types, that is positive resonance effect and negative resonance effect. In positive resonance effect, the electron is donated towards the ring. Example: alcohol, thiol, etc. Negative resonance effect. Here the electrons are donated towards the substrate, which is the electron withdrawing groups. Example: nitro, keto, carbonyl groups. The third one is electromeric effect. Here the complete transfer of shared pair of pi electrons of a multiple bond to the more electronegative atom of the bonded atoms at the requirement of the attacking reagent is called electromeric effect. It can also classify into 2 different types based on the shift of electrons. When the electrons are transferred towards the attacking reagent, this is called plus E effect. When the electrons are transferred away from the attacking reagent, that is called as minus E effect. Then hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation is a permanent effect which occurs when the sigma electrons of an alkyl group are delocalized into the nearby vacant orbital or partially filled pi orbitals. It is also called as Baker-Northern effect or no bond resonance. Here the bond shift doesn't take place, only the electrons will be moved. For hyperconjugation, alpha hydrogen should be present in a molecule. Based on the alpha hydrogen, the hyperconjugation effect will increases. The hyperconjugation stabilizes the carbocation as it helps in the dispersal of positive charges. So, the greater number of alkyl group is attached to a carbon, the hyperconjugation also will increases, as well as the stability of the carbocation also increases. So, tertiary carbocation will have more hyperconjugation effect because it has 9 hydrogen atoms present towards it. Thank you.